This is a short video of the WRNC 518 GMRS repeater. This is the one I brought down from the building. I did some additional fine tuning. Now she's super hot. Like that guy, the air conditioning company commercial that says your wife is hot. Well, this repeater is hot. As you can see, these are the frequencies. And the 254.1 is just a test PL. All right. Now this is the reason why I brought down the repeater, because it's a tone panel that handles PL and DPL, the entire spectrum of it. This is a Sinclair Q3220E full-size duplexer, capable of 200 watts continuous. You can do up to 250, but she'll get a little warm, but she'll handle it. I've already put it through the test. Okay, this is the the back of the tone panel already wired to the repeater. This is the back of the repeater. The cables from the repeater are going directly into the appropriate connections, RX-TX. And the output is that gold cable, as you can see, is going to the TX-RX port of the service monitor. All right, now I'm already programmed the PL encode decode, which is not needed. You just need encoding, but it can decode also. And I'm already generating that signal, as you can see on the screen. That's a sine wave, which is known as sinusoidal. I forget how you say it in English. Sinusoidal or something like that. But anyway, it's already generated. So I'm coming here now. Like I said, PL is already being generated. It's just missing the RF generation. So I'm going to come here to the service monitor. And the beauty of these repeaters is how hot the receivers are. Okay, now I'm at 0, I mean way past 0. I'm going to start generating. And if you look at the service monitor, the display, I'm not even at 0.5. I'm at 0.75. 0.075 rather. If you see, it's already transmitting. And at 0.1, it's for most receivers will be getting noise. But this receiver is already active even way before the parameters that she was set forth. So at 0.2 microvolts, that's like minus 20 dBm, it's already super quiet. So that means our receiver is super hot. Okay, I'm gonna show you the spectrum analyzer now. The spectrum analyzer is a clean signal. What you see is my modulation. But look at the spectrum. It's right on frequency. And 462.55, which is the transmitter of the repeater, and it's a clean carrier, very clean carrier. So that means that it's going to work really good. Now the next test is going to be hooking up the actual power amplifier, which is going to be 100 watts. The thing is, when you start adding power, in other words, when you add power to the mix, then that creates a totally whole new ball game. So you got to be very careful that the transmitter doesn't get into the receiver and block it. That's the problem that Iris was having the other day. You definitely do not want any desensing whatsoever. That's what is technically called desensing, when the transmitter starts getting into the receiver and it starts blocking signal levels that the receiver needs to do its thing. All right, so if you could see, remember, this thing, like 0.75 was already generating signal, and the PL was generated where the tone panel was already decoding it, and it was sending the tone out. Incredible. This is like I said, for people that know about this is fascinating. And this is what I love about communications and test equipment. Okay, I'm going to shut it down, turn off power. And now we're going to look at the PL, still transmitting. Okay, now I'm going to use the portable to activate. See? The first one is, the second one is carry. It detects a carry and it lights up. Then once the PL or DPL is decoded, then sends a signal to encode, to send PL to the transmitter, and this is the transmitter that is sending the PTT line to the repeater transmitter. So that's like incredible. But anyway, this is what you get when you use a TKR-820 repeater for your repeater, regardless whether it's GMRS, business, or ham. Well, 7.3s. Talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoy. The next video is going to be with a power amplifier online. Bye.